What's up, guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making the 2-ingredient ice cream bread that's been going crazy and viral online as of late. So I like to dibble dabble when I see something online. You know, sometimes I step out on my own recipes and I dibble dabble. I did not come up with this recipe. Like I said, it's going viral online right now. Can't wait to experiment more with it and, you know, even take it even further. Alright, you guys, so these are the 2 ingredients. You'll need ice cream and self-rising flour. This is the ice cream I chose to go with because I wanted some color down in there. But you could pretty much use any ice cream you have on hand. So I'm using the Bluebell confetti ice cream and the gold medal self-rising flour. But of course, you know, the brand doesn't matter with self-rising flour. I just used what was available to me. In this bowl right here, I'm going to measure out my flour. Remember, all ingredient measurements, which is only 2, will still be in my description box. And you just want to measure it out and put it to the side. So this is the ice cream right here. I measured it out, put that to the side so it can melt. Once it melts, you want to add it to the flour. Do not add hot ice cream to this flour. It needs to still be cold or cool. No, I'm not even going to say cool. It needs to be cold. So this is why I didn't even put it in a microwave. I put it on the counter and went about my business. And but that also took way longer than it should have. I probably should have took the ice cream out like last night, but oh well, it still worked out. And you mix them both together. You want to grease your little pan. I got this little pan from the corner store, y'all. You know, I'm not trying to spend no heavy coin on this. And you just want to add the batter right to it. Just like this. And you're going to put this into a 350-degree oven. Now, this is the part that annoyed me. With all the recipes I see floating around online, it kept saying 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. This bread does not take 20 minutes unless I have a beat down stove. Something must be wrong with my stove. It took about 35-40 minutes. Mine's took on 350. So on top, I'm just sprinkling some sugar, some dessert sugar. This is the exact name of it. I just got it from Kroger. This is optional. That was 100% optional. This is what it looks like when it came out the oven. This is when I took it out at 20 minutes and it wasn't done. I put it back for another 20 minutes and then it was done. And so I'm just going to pop it out, slice it up, dress it up, and show you guys what it looks like. Y'all, look at the texture of this bread. I cannot, look at the texture of this bread. And I don't know, maybe I'm being extra or exaggerating, but seriously, for me to put the work I put in to make regular bread, and people are out here just using 2 ingredients and getting this kind of texture is insane. But it was, you know, it was effective. It was delicious. However, it is slightly sweet. So, you know, for savory dishes, it doesn't make sense anyway. But I hope you guys give it a try. It's really, really good. It's cheap to make. And, you know, it's kid friendly. Your kids can make it. Anybody can make it, as a matter of fact. It's only 2 ingredients. Popping it in the oven. You're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And stay tuned for my last bit of commentary. Yeah, thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you to all my new followers. Love you guys.